How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm going to teach you how to really block spam or unwanted calls and SMS texts on your iPhone. And when I say really block, I do mean it, because with this process, you'll be able to block specific area codes or country codes. Let me give you an example. So let's say you live in the United States, you live in California, and you're constantly getting phone calls from, let's say, Colorado, and every time you pick it up, it's a spam call, for example. So you actually be able to block calls from that whole area. It's super easy, so cool. Same thing if you are, for example, in the United Kingdom, and then you're constantly getting calls from France, but you don't know anyone from France. And of course, when you get those calls, they're always spam calls. Again, you'll be able to block all calls from specific countries if you want to. It's amazing, super easy to set up. You're gonna love it. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is get an app. So let's open up the App Store. Let's go here to search, and then let's look for Wide Protect, all one word. As you can see, the App Store will already suggest it for you. You can tap on it, and then you have it right here, Wide Protect. You have both apps, as I mentioned. We're gonna use them to block not only phone calls, but SMS as well. So you can go ahead and get both. By the way, both apps are actually free. So you can get them for free and test them out for free. They have free trials as well. So you can go ahead and test them out right now. Everyone can do it, okay? So both of them are downloaded. We can go ahead and start checking them out. Let's start with Wide Protect to block calls, and then we're going to talk about SMS, okay? As you can see, we have a first important setting that we have to do right here, and we already have a dedicated button, so tap on it to open it up. And then right here we have call blocking and identification. And as you can see, we've got 100 of those toggles right here. Let's call them profiles, and we're gonna actually need to enable them one by one. And this is important because every single one of those profiles can actually block up to 10 million numbers. So with 100, we can actually block 1 billion numbers. So it's pretty much infinite. And that's the idea, that's the point. Go ahead and enable all of them, as you can see right here. And then we're gonna be able to have like an endless number of numbers that we can actually block. So go ahead and do that. It's just gonna take a few seconds, and I'm gonna do that as well, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm done. I have just enabled all of them, so I can just go ahead, reopen Wide Protect, and as you can see, it's gonna say status, all is good, so we're good to go. And my favorite way to actually block annoying, unwanted numbers is by simply opening up the phone app and then going here to unknown callers, because they're generally those numbers that you don't want to pick up, they're spam, and you just want to block them, right? And let's say that this phone number is phoning me all the time, but I realize that it's not just this unique number, because they're actually using the same prefix to phone me with a bunch of different numbers. So the prefix is the same, the beginning is the same, but the rest here is always changing. And they do that to fool you and trick you into thinking it's a different person, a different company, but no, it's the same people. They're using the same prefix, just changing the end right here. This is so common. So what you can do is simply go ahead and tap on the I of information, scroll a bit down, get to share contact, and then confirm at the top right corner. And then as you can see, we have this dedicated button, block in Wide Protect. Perfect. So tap on it. It's gonna open up straight in Wide Protect, and you can do exactly that. So if you realize that, for example, you're getting a bunch of phone calls that begin with this very first combination, and then the rest is constantly changing, but they're constantly phoning you, you can just do that. You can delete, erase the final 3 or 4 digits, as I've done right here, and then you can go ahead and save, and of course it's gonna go ahead and register. So then any phone number that starts with this combination, that has this prefix, regardless of the rest, will be blocked. So if it's this number 1234, it'll be blocked. If it's this number 3558, it'll be blocked, and so on. So then we have successfully identified and actually blocked a whole prefix of numbers that are actually annoying you. But of course, you can do much better than that, because if you tap on the 3 dots right here and you add countries, you can block a full list of potential spam callers. And this comes from the database of White Protect. So let's say you live in a country and you constantly get spam calls from a different country. So let's say you live in the United States, for example, and you're constantly getting spam calls from Austria. I know it may not be your case, I'm just giving you an example. So then, from the database of White Protect, when we select a country, it's actually gonna block a bunch, hundreds of thousands, sometimes millions of numbers that are actually known to be spam, unwanted callers. So then if you tap on it to add prefixes, as you can see in this example, it's gonna block about 50 million numbers from this specific country. So then if some country is specifically phoning you and bothering you, you can just go ahead and block a huge list based on White Protect database. After a few moments, all of those prefixes will be added, and then you're good to go. But of course, we also have the possibility to add numbers and prefixes manually. So you can choose a country. So let's say the United States right here. And then of course, the prefix. So if again, somebody's phoning you from that very same 4 or 5 numbers, that very same prefix, from the very same region, you can go ahead and type in that region right here and that beginning, for example, and then if somebody phones you and their number starts with this, regardless of the rest of the numbers, it'll always block. So you can tap on save right here, you're good to go. Now let's talk about SMS. Let's talk about text messages. So if you open up the second app, White Protect SMS, we're gonna see a splash screen once again, and then we have a very similar layout. So you can go ahead next, and get started. And then we have some options like, for example, tap on the 3 dots, and then we can import everything from White Protect. So if you already have a list of numbers that you don't want to be bothered by phone calls, you can use that very same list on your SMS as well. Tap here and you have that possibility. You can also add countries, just like we saw before, using their database with hundreds of thousands or even millions of pre-selected numbers, so that you won't be bothered either on your texts. And of course, we can also add manually, so you can tap on plus right here and you can do just like we've done on the previous app, but there's a little difference that I want to show you. So let's say you want to block again based on a prefix. So let's go for like 1, 2, 3, 4 just as an example. So you don't want any number that starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, regardless of the rest, to be able to text you. All you have to do now is just go ahead here and tap on the asterisk, and then any number starting with this prefix will have their text messages blocked and they won't bother you. You can just go ahead and tap on save, and then you are good to go. But you also have the possibility to tap on plus and just, again, using the same example, choose 1, 2, 3, 4, and in this case, when you save, we're just blocking this specific number, because it's very common that when we get text messages, the number that's sending those messages is a very short number with 4 or 5 digits. So in this case, if you don't use the asterisk, it's just gonna block 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you use it, it's gonna block everything starting with this prefix. So it's a difference, and of course you can do it for both, you choose. We also have the possibility to tap on this middle icon right here, tap on plus, and then we're actually gonna block SMS text based on words or phrases. So if you always get text messages with words like deal, like great deal, check out this deal, so you can go ahead and just type in deal and then save. And if a text message actually contains this word, it will be blocked. And of course, you can go ahead and manually type in multiple words that you want to always be blocked. And last but not least, on the features, if we tap here on additional, check this out, because this is actually pretty cool. We have the possibility right here to block from all countries except. So again, you live in a country and you're constantly getting text messages from other countries, and all of them are always spam. So we have the possibility to simply check this option and then tap on the three dots. And then let's say you live in the United States, so you want to receive text messages from the US. So you can go ahead and enable this possibility, and then any text message that comes from another country apart from United States and Canada will be blocked. So then you can choose specifically which countries you will allow to receive SMS. Same thing for short numbers. So remember I was talking about that it's common that we get text messages from 4 or 5 digit numbers, so not full phone numbers. This is common, and generally those phone calls are spam, right? So you can enable this, and then if a text message comes from a short number like a computer number, it will be blocked. So only text messages coming from full phone numbers, actual phone numbers, will come through. We also have the possibility to block SMS texts that have web links. This is very important. So many scams actually happen from tapping on links in text messages. This is very important. Again, block SMS texts that have email addresses in text. We also can block with phone number in text. So if somebody phones you with a phone number on it, this is generally a little bit weird, right? It could cause problems. So you can block all those text messages altogether, and even block by predictive model and ML. So White Protect is actually using artificial intelligence to just kind of analyze the message, and if it realizes that it could be a spam, it's not gonna let it go through, so it's gonna block it and protect you. And you can even block all SMS texts except those are coming from your contacts. So if it's not on your contacts list, it won't go through. And you can even block all of them during night. So let's say it looks like a do not disturb mode, right? And you can tap on the three dots here and adjust those times as well to block in a specific period of time. And as I mentioned, you can actually test out White Protect SMS and White Protect for free. So you can download them for free and test them for free. There's a free trial, and I do recommend that you do that. You're gonna use it, you're gonna set it up just like I showed you, and you won't regret it. Your life is gonna get so much easier. I bet you're gonna love it. And last but not least, something that you don't really see that often. If you go here to your help, you actually have the possibility to talk to the developers if you have any questions, or if for some reason something isn't working properly, maybe you have some questions setting up, you can actually talk to the developers, you can write to them, there's their email address, you can talk to them, and it's such a big deal having this possibility, being able to talk to the people who actually created the app and know the app more than anyone else. And if you download, use the app, and if you like it, I do ask you to go ahead and open up the App Store and review it. Reviews are always very, very welcome, and they actually help out the developers also so much. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much what I want to tell you in this video. Thank you so much for watching it. And that's how you actually block phone calls and SMS texts on your iPhone with full control and customization. Give it a try, and I'll see you on the next video as usual, guys. Bye bye.